Today is the 13th day since the passage through the Strait of Hormuz, through which 20% of world's crude, 20% of world's natural gas, and 20% of the world's LPG flows was disrupted following the military operations between Iran, Israel, and the US. For the first time in recorded history, the Strait of Hormuz has been effectively closed to commercial shipping. Despite India having no role in causing the conflict, like many countries, India has to navigate through its consequences. The contrast with how other nations are managing this crisis places India's response in its sharpest relief. A country in our neighborhood has shut all schools for 2 weeks, moved government offices to 4-day work week, ordered 50% of public employees to work from home, cut fuel allowances for official vehicles by half, and taken 60% of government vehicles off the road. This country has experienced the largest single fuel price increase in its history, with petrol up approximately 20% in a week. In another neighbor, has closed universities early and brought forward the Eid al-Fitr holiday to save fuel. Countries in Southeast Asia have also had to take energy rationing and conservation measures. Honorable Speaker, sir, India's crude supply position is secure and volumes secured exceed what the Hormuz would have delivered. Before the crisis, approximately 45% of India's crude imports transited through the Hormuz route. Thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister's outstanding diplomatic outreach and goodwill, India has secured crude volumes that exceed what the disrupted Strait of Hormuz could have delivered in the same period. Non-Hormuz sourcing has risen to approximately 70% of crude imports, up from 55% before the conflict began. India sources crude from 40 countries as against 27 in 2006 and 7. This structural diversification, built through sustained policy over successive years, has given us options that other nations find themselves without. Refineries are operating at high capacity utilization. In several cases, they are exceeding 100%. There is no shortage of petrol, diesel, kerosene, ATF or fuel oil. The availability of petrol, diesel, aviation, turbine fuel, kerosene and fuel oil is fully assured. Retail outlets across the country are stocked and supply chains for these products are functioning normally. Additional allocation of PDS kerosene has been issued to all the states. Honorable Speaker, sir, natural gas supply has been managed through prioritized allocation and the position is stable, well beyond immediate need. India produces approximately 90 million metric standard cubic meters per day of natural gas domestically. A further 30 million metric standard cubic meters per day was previously imported through Gulf sources, now affected by the force majeure declaration of a major Qatari processing facility. The force majeure declaration, the Natural Gas Control Order issued on 9th March 2026 under the Essential Commodities Act established an immediate priority sequence. Domestic pipe gas goes to homes and CNG for vehicles receives 100% supply with no cuts. Industrial and manufacturing consumers will receive upon 80% of their previous 6 months average. Fertilizer plants will receive up to 70%, protecting the agricultural input chain ahead of the sowing season. Refineries and petrochemical units absorb a managed reduction with the House that the shortfall has been substantially upward through alternative procurement. Large LNG cargoes are arriving on an almost daily basis through alternative supply routes, and India has sufficient gas production and supply arrangements to sustain this position even in the event of a prolonged conflict. Power generation for every household and for industry is fully protected. Honorable Speaker, sir, it should be noted that India was previously importing approximately 60% of the LPG requirements from Gulf countries such as Qatar, UAE, Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, and 40% is produced domestically. Procurement has now been actively diversified, with cargoes being secured from the United States, Norway, Canada, Algeria and Russia, in addition to Gulf sources. The LPG control order issued on 8th March 2026 directed all refineries to maximize LPG yields and channel the entire output of C3 and C4 hydrocarbon streams comprising propane, butane, propylene and butene exclusively to the 3 oil marketing companies for domestic cooking gas. Hence, in the last 5 days, LPG production has been increased by 28% through refinery directive, and further procurement is actually underway. Modi government's foremost priority is that the kitchen of India's 33 crore families, especially the poor and the underprivileged, do not face any shortage. Domestic supply is fully protected and the delivery cycle is unchanged. The standard time for booking to delivery for domestic LPG cylinders remains 2.5 days unchanged from pre-crisis norms. Hospitals and educational institutions have been placed on uninterrupted priority supply. And their access to LPG is fully assured regardless of broader demand conditions. Field reports indicate hoarding and panic booking at the distributor and retail level, driven by consumer anxiety rather than any actual supply shortage. The House should be clear on this. The rush booking pressure in some localities reflects a demand distortion, not a production or supply failure. Delivery authentication code coverage is being expanded from 50% to 90% of consumers under this system. A cylinder can only be logged as delivered when the consumer confirms receipt through a one-time code on the registered mobile, making undocumented diversion effectively impossible to conceal. A 25-day minimum booking period has been introduced as a demand management measure in urban areas and 45 days in rural and Durgam Kshetra areas. OMC field officers and the anti-adulteration cell are coordinating enforcement at the distributor level. The Home Secretary has shared a meeting with Chief Secretaries of all states to align state-level administration with the central supply and information framework. Commercial LPG has been regulated to prevent black marketing, not to
আরো ভালো ভালো খবর দেখতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন বাংলা হান্টের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বাংলা হান্টের আরো খবর দেখতে নজর রাখুন। বাংলা খবর মানেই বাংলা হান্ট।